Film Festival on rural India. Crafted and executed by Village Square, this event is a part of India Rural Colloquy 2024. Many congratulations to the young filmmakers here.
The idea of home was very vague to me. I was always questioning what is home for me. Is it my parents where they stay, or is it the places that I have to spend my time?
How the idea came, I think it's very natural when you are studying, and when you think of like what film do you want to make, you just go back into your memories and think something out of your own memories or out of your own life only.
As I was researching for my concept and how I could take it ahead, I came across what was happening in MP and parts of UP, that riding a mare for Barats is still a dream for some people.
I think it was a 50 plus number, and they ranged in time, some were 4, 5, 6 minutes, some were a little longer. But all of them were telling stories about, from little corners of India, stories that are not often told. I think we were compelled by, one was the craft of the filmmaking, which was brilliant in all four, but also the stories they told. They really connected with powerful, poignant, lovely stories. They are like budding filmmakers, and we were quite stunned by the quality of the films.
And inviting our guests Adil Hussain and Faisal Ji to please come on the stage for a small conversation.
We are in this particular gathering initiated by Village Square and Chitrashala. I was born in Gwalpara, which is the border district of Bengal. So I also had access to Bengali cinema, Bengali literature, Shuktara and Desh, and and Uttam Kumar and Satyajit Ray since my childhood.
Basically, आप जहाँ से हो, इलाहाबाद से, तो वो जो आपको कोई रोल दिया जाता है, जो रोल आपको दे रहा है, उसके दिमाग में भी होता है कि आप इलाहाबाद के हो और आपको ऐसा ही रोल दिया जाता है, या आप खुद वैसे रोल्स को चूज करते हो, ढूंढते हो?
चूज तो नहीं कर पाएंगे क्योंकि कोई देगा तभी करेंगे।
जो लगता है वो करते हैं।
ये तो रोज पुलिस का रोल आता है, एक महीने में 8 कॉल आती है, उसमें से फ़ोन करके बोलेगा सर एक कॉप का रोल है, वो कमीना है, ये ब्रीफ करके फ़ोन रख देता है, स्क्रिप्ट भेज रहा हूँ। तो मैंने बोला कितना और कॉप हैं, तो कहता है एक और कॉप का रोल है, उससे बड़ा कमीना। वो मेरे शक्ल से जैसे लगता है कि पापा का कोई था सपना पुलिस बनाने का, वो इसमें पूरा हो रहा है।
I believe that director is the god for me in film, not in theatre. Theatre, I think, is a much more collaborative process in films. But if the director involves me from the day one, what gets contributed from the actor, which I think I'm sure that he will agree with me, that you bring your life experience to it.
यहाँ पे भी आपको लोग आकर प्रहलाद चा बोल रहे हैं, तो ये जब एक्टर कैरेक्टर बन जाता है तो वो फीलिंग, जैसे ये इंग्लिश श्रीदेवी के हस्बैंड है,
कॉप भी बन गया।
नहीं
तो ये वो फीलिंग क्या है कि आपको लोग आके सीधे बोलते प्रहलाद चा?
मतलब चाचा ही बोल के काफी ने काम चला रखा है। चाचा बोल के, चाचा क्या हाल चाल है? काफी लोग मिलते हैं और बोलते हैं कि आपके साथ बहुत बुरा हुआ। मैंने कहा कि क्योंकि बेटा की डेथ होके बहुत बुरा हुआ, मैं आपके साथ हूँ। एक बार तो एक साथ टॉयलेट के अंदर तक आ गई, बहुत दुख हो रहा था आपको देख के। मैं मेरी माँ से बोल रहा था देखो यही सब। फिर एक काफ़ी जगह जाता हूँ जहाँ पे आर्मी के लोग होते हैं, उनकी बीवियाँ आती हैं, मैंने तो मना कर रखा है गोली मत चलाना, हाँ चलो तुम मत, तो वैसा नहीं होता है। पर ये कि वो उस कहानी उसका जो अगर किरदार इतना अच्छा है तो राइटर मिलना चाहिए।
It is very difficult to find a very good script. In terms of very difficult, very rare that you find amazing script in India, unfortunately. When you find it, you're like, oh my God. ठीक है. Thank you so much. Thank you.
अच्छी चीज़ है, अच्छी चीज़ सीखने को मिलती है, अच्छे लोग मिलते हैं, ऐसा पता लगता है कुछ ना कुछ कहीं ना कहीं पे कुछ अच्छा हो रहा है जो लोग कुछ कर रहे हैं ना। बाकी टाइम तो लोग काम ही कुछ और ही चीज़ें करते हैं। यह है कि इनिशिएटिव करेक्ट है, लोग करेक्ट हैं और इसको और स्ट्रांगली होना चाहिए, ज़्यादा होना चाहिए।
When you're making a film, you're actually depicting a slice of reality. And that slice of reality is incomplete without, clothing the person, placing him in space, giving him objects to use. So, his whole kind of, the visual trappings are engulfed in craft.
ছদ্ম মানে এজন মানুহকে ছদ্ম কৰিব পৰা যিটো ব্যৱস্থা, সেই ব্যৱস্থাটো হ'ল মুখা। কাৰণ নিজৰ স্বাভাৱিক মুখখনক যেতিয়া ঢাকি পেলাব, গতিকে স্বাভাৱিক সেই মানুহজন হৈ নাথাকে।
The thing about their craft is it's very seasonal, so we couldn't shoot when they get the raw materials, so I had to use animation to show those parts.
I know to ban ti daw na po sum te dagila wan ban ti na po sum na marbo daw hapan kam ban ti atjai.
Any city you go to, any cluster you go to where craft is there, there's so much nostalgia. See, production design is really a dream. It's how you internalize the written word and turn it into light and shade and sound,
I used to tell you, Naan kaanum ulagangal, nee kaana vendum. Actually, I want you to dive and see this beautiful underwater.
पानी की कमी और कमी के साथ पानी गुणवत्तापूर्ण भी नहीं, पीने के लायक भी नहीं, एक मजबूरी में उसको पीना पड़ रहा है।
The last film for a climate category is the official selection to the International Film Festival of Rotterdam 2023, titled Last Days of Summer.
film samasoko chaji tene lelu samathu wasam tene kat millimeter chaji tene nimsi lanjugati tujuk chaji.
It is original in a way that's not someone coming from outside and telling our story. It is me telling story about us.
It takes lot of money to shoot also and to bring that production quality, camera wise, sound wise and everywhere. And once you bring all this and then at the end they ask who are the stars, and you don't have stars, you have stories.
At Village Square, we have always tried to bridge this gap between rural and urban India. Today's festival, Chitrashala, has been an effort towards finding new, interesting, engaging ways to bridge this gap.
At a film festival in the heart of Delhi, we're bringing the stories of rural India here.
Now we have the final category for the festival with the 2 special films that we kept for the last.
तुम दोनों, तेरा नाम क्या था? तुझे घर पे नहीं लाते बिट्टी सिंह?